First things first, I appreciate your support. A quick one on how to use a Toploader. This is a Samsung, yeah. When it comes to Samsung, they do good top load washing machine. So far, this is a 7.5. Let's not get into that. So this is the dashboard, quite simple. This is the power button and the start button. So let's say you've selected. You can select a quick wash. You can select jeans, blanket, whatever you want. So it will show you wash, rinse and spin. So when you start washing, let's say you've selected the start button, you see washing, it will wash. Once it's done that, the light disappears, so it will go to rinse and then spin. Let me show you something why I like the top loader. So let's say you've selected your jeans, it will do 49 minutes. It means water level will be 3. Let's say you don't have enough garments in there, you can reduce the water level. Come here by pressing this, so you can decide to put it on level 2. If you feel clothes are quite dirty or it's big laundry, you can do a higher level of, so you can determine the water level only on a top loader. Front loads you can. Something else is, let's say you're doing level 5, you don't have enough water because it will take time to load, to fill with the water. You can pour water manually in the drum. Something else is this, let's say you needed a spin only. You see we have water level, active, dual wash, wash, rinse and power spin. So let's say you hand washed, or you did a wash and you feel the clothes are still wet, you just put your clothes in the drum, then power it on, and then you press the spin button, and then you press start. So it will start draining and then it will spin. And then something else, let's say you want to drain only, you just come, press, drain, and it will drain all the water that is in the drum if you just need the drain only. And then now we're talking about the child lock. Let's say you don't want somebody to use this machine. What you do is just press the rinse and power spin button simultaneously. Now it has engaged the child lock. It will give a CL error code here. CL means child lock. So this is a Samsung, but on your any other brand, you locate where you'll see this sign here. That's the child lock sign. To remove it, you press the 2 buttons simultaneously. Simple.